Greetings, it is Friday morning, November 19th, 2021. I added all the text from an earlier state of the drawing when it was smaller and vertical. Gun rights, voting legislators, judges, and U.S. Supreme Court justices are not pro-life. They're pro-death and they enable terrorism. U.S. gun rights is terrorism and a genocide. I added 7 postage stamps to my childhood stamp collection. 5 cents homemakers, United States Bill of Rights. I think it says 175th anniversary. Let's get my magnifying glass out. Like a baby deer. Baseball. Kids, boys played baseball. Little League. First civil settlement, Alta California, 1777. An Abe Lincoln stamp. Another Abe Lincoln stamp that says, "Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves." I also added a few rubber stamps. This one I stamped twice because it came out blurry the first time and blurrier the second time, like a rabbit on a bicycle. That's okay, I don't mind it blurry. Please post, thanks, display, overlooked, please attend to, and, oh, there's like a chicken here, right? Proceeding, or it says gun rights. All right, there you have it. I'm going to keep this under 2 minutes. Is the drawing I did in 1968 when I was a senior in high school, like a cowboy with a rifle and a bullet belt. A memorial portrait of Aiden Leos. All right, there you have it. Thanks, Budgie Wedgies. Nice singing you're doing there. Appreciate it.